Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Hotwave Note 15 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open settings. Now here we have to scroll down and open this Google option. Right here we have to go to the all services, search assistant and voice, and Google Assistant. Now here we have to scroll down and find this general option, and if it's not turned on, all we have to do is just click this button and then turn on. And that's how you can enable Google Assistant. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.